There we go. Put it on a table saw. Cut it all off except for a little bit. That's not that bad. It's much easier to grind through that. Several passes. Had to get her just right. Of course,
hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.
I was moving a table saw, and I knocked this off the table saw off the other side, so I couldn't catch it. And it did jack that up a little bit, so I had to bust out the rubber mallet and to get her back. What an idiot, moron! But anyway, solid. Now it's all grayed across. I can pull this apart. Put Monero blocks in there. I said Monero blocks. Okay, that's one. Where's the other one? Right there. Right there. And I'll separate that proper. Oh, I'm not going to show you that because, I'm just taking those 2-inch. They're barely in there. Trust me, they're in there like a 3/16 of an inch. Enough to hold it in place. Okay? That's it. I'm going to continue. I'll show you when I finally get it all zeroed in. Dialed in, figured out. If I make a mistake again, I'll show you, okay? I'm not afraid to show you my mistakes. They're not mistakes, they're errors. They're learning experiences. Yeah, I like that better. All right, I thought I'd probably show you this one because, of course, I did peel it apart. I guess they were sticking out a little bit more. I tried pounding them back. I changed my mind. So this is good practice. It's 2 inches in. There's no way you're going to pull. I just want to move them enough so that they're not sticking out past the surface. Now, it's probably going to get a little beat up by me doing this. And I'm pounding them in a little bit. Might wreck this edge a little bit, but who cares? Because they're going to snap off on the other side, but I'd like to snap them off, and then I can pound them down in, but if I push this in, they'll pound in and these won't stick out. Does that make sense? Sometimes you can take a nail head and tap it on a cement to make it more flat. And that will work also. I do have this. Get the steel wool and clean it up. I will have steel wool in here because I'm going to be making my secret sauce, stain, safe for birds, safe for everybody. Hey, I don't even notice it. Come on. All right, well, I got 2 left. You see what I'm getting at. Bye. See you later. How do I don't know. Okay, that's it. So they're in there. I'll clean that up. But I had to do this to hold it together. It was a necessary evil, okay? And what's the opposite of necessary evil? Unnecessary evil. Speaking of which, never mind. silly me, I was gonna put screws in here. I'd have to drill through and countersink, and I'm an idiot. And I'm like, well, you know, I thought, oh, 2-inch. Thought I could use that, and I can't. But how deep do I need that to be? 2-inch, 2.5 inch should be just about right. All right, so I can clamp this down. I got me some splitless nails. Oh, that's Storm Guard. Maze is the one you usually. Oh yeah, Maze nails. Splitless, you betcha. I don't have to worry about pre-drilling. And it'll hold beautifully because it's ring shanked. It's got a head on it, that's okay. We can tap that down, doesn't even matter. Because we're gonna do it from the other side. Oh boy, if we do it from the other side though. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Let's double check this, make sure that as far as this way here goes, it looks pretty darn good. So I used this. Yeah, it works. Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah. So, I don't think that's going to be tall enough. Oh, that's what we were looking for. Something that would set that up like that. Beautiful. See? See? Not so dumb after all, am I, huh? Put this in your face. Ooh, sorry. Almost like 3D. That'd be cool, 3D, huh? 3D YouTube. Do I check? I had it clamped down. It should be fine. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? It's perfect. Ha! Had you going, didn't I? Yeah. Okay, so the idea being, I was gonna just, nail the other side to it, which is the other side here. This one. Right? I was just gonna nail the other side to it. Yeah, this is the one that I cleaned up, yeah. Right? Let's go ahead and, so, yeah. Nail the other side to it, and that would be good this way and this way. Do I? But the thing is, if I want to make up the space for wider boards, 3/4 inch, I can gap this out. So we can put it in there and we can try it out. Later, I'm getting hungry. And I haven't had breakfast yet. Okay, anyway, so if we were to go like this, we had that one in there. Whew. Do not worry. So like this right here does not leave enough overhang. Or does it? See? Interesting. Interesting. What was that overhang supposed to be? Did we figure that out? We lost the papers. Hey, went way out here. What was this? What was that overhang supposed to be? 15/16. Thank you. Minus 5/16 would be 10/16 or 5/8. Oh, so 5/8. Brain, don't fail me now. I don't know if this is how accurate this is pushing in. Push it in, push it. Okay, that's enough of that crap. See, it's a 1/2 inch. See what I'm saying? So, I can go like this. Well, I got it together. I got little screws in there. I don't know why. They were really cheap, but they're good for the exterior and treated. The little heads up. Yeah, you know, that works. That's like less than 8 cents a screw. I just want it to be held together good. So I made my special stain. I'll tell you what it is. Quad Ot or 0000 steel wool, 2 cups coffee grounds, and a cup of vinegar or more. Close it up, shake it up. Shake it up every few hours or every 6 hours. Let it sit for 24 hours or 48 or 5 days. That doesn't really matter. If you want it darker, use like really robust coffee, dark roast. But this will, over time, darken as it reacts to the tannins in the wood. I want to find one more block of wood here. And I'm going to set it up on time lapse and regular time as well to see, you know, just how fast it darkens. Now, okay, it's been sitting for a while, so it's pretty dark, but usually if it's been sitting for 24 hours, it goes on and it looks like water. Even though it's dark here, it'd be interesting to see. Yeah, you see, it looks like water. It looks like slightly dirty water. Yeah. So, and it smells a little rusty. Yeah, well, that's just because of the fact that the steel wool was kind of degrading. I dripped on that. I don't want that on the inside. So we'll just, yeah, it's like dirty water. Now you can make it darker after it dries mostly and come back again, put some more on. You know, we'll see. I think from now on I should do testing first, right? Test a little bit of the wood from each piece and see where it's going to go, and then I can pick and choose which boards I use to create contrasts. Well, this is all about experimenting. And I think we're done overall, so you know what?